Okay, so to get to EEOC, you type in eeoc.gov, enter, and you will come to the main page. Now, on the main page here, if I scroll down, over on the right, it should say file a charge of employment discrimination right there. I'm going to click that. Now I'm on the page that says filing a charge for discrimination. What you're going to do is you're going to have to go to, it says a charge of discrimination can be completed through the EEOC public portal. So you'll do that. After you file your claim, it'll ask you to make an appointment at their Seattle office, which is booked out. And then you'll have to call a phone number and leave a message, and then they'll email you to set up a time for an over-the-phone interview. So we click EEOC public portal right there. And you come to this page. And then I'm going to go over here to I want to file a complaint. And so this is for, if you scroll through the page here, it says submitting an inquiry is different from filing a charge of discrimination. So there is time limits. It has to be, the last incident has to be within 6 months. Or she said, I think it might be 300 days now, but originally it was 6 months. So, but if you look on here, let me zoom in for you guys. There's the first one highlighted right here. It says file a charge. And I'm going to click on that. Oops. I went back to the wrong one. Go back to the portal. We're going to go through that page again one more time. So you literally, all you're going to do is it shows you the videos of what laws, how it works, all that stuff. You can go to the home page. Up here at the top, it says home page, or see right there, home page or start. You click start. So once you do that, it brings up the first question here, and you'll just fill this out. So business or nonprofit organization that I applied to, worked for, or worked for, or worked for. So that's the one you click. Sorry you guys, I am still waking up. Then you, down at the bottom here, I click next. And then it'll ask you on what day did the discrimination action occur. So you want to go from the last date it occurred. So the best of your ability when it happened. So since I have Caprice sitting here, I'm going to ask Caprice when her last, the last act occurred for when she heard Megan talking about us being lazy Americans and things like that.
That was my first day of work.
When was the last day?
That
it happened? Yes. So.
Let me look at my calendar here.
Was it September?
It was in October because I stopped in October.
Okay, so October.
And I want to say it was. Because I came in and I helped you that Sunday on the 8th.
Nope. I didn't work after the 10th.
Okay.
I think it was the last week of September. Just to be safe, we're just going to say September 24th.
Mm-hmm. Yep, you're right. September 24th, because I have that day marked.
Here we go, Sunday, September 24th. Okay, so now it states, so see now, it states you have 300 days from the date the discrimination took place. So they actually changed that. So now I click next. it says, I believe discriminated against because of, and then you click the ones that are on there, and for this it would be for national origin and ethnicity, which is right there. If, like in Amy's case, it was because she was discriminated against because she had a baby and they didn't want to let her back as well, it says click all that apply. So go ahead and do that. Then click next. Alright, and then I put, it says how many employees worked for her, and I put around 20 or more. I also said because she had more than one store. Then I put next. Okay, so this one says location you choose helps EEOC determine how much time you have to file a charge. So you're literally just going to click on Washington. Sorry you guys about the wobbliness. And then you go and click next. And then it says, it basically is reaffirming what you already wrote, you already clicked on here. The business I applied to work for or worked for, the last date that the discrimination happened, how many employees, national origin, Washington. Click next. Alright. And then this page comes up. It says public portal here, and it says reiterates your summary. And it says based on the response that you've given, that situation appears to be covered by the laws that EEOC, enforces. So then, submitting an inquiry is not the same as filing a charge, blah, blah, blah. We already read that. So now we're going to click next. Now what you're going to do, see that's me, I already returning, but she's a new user. So now she has to sign up. Privacy Act comes up. Click OK. And basically you're going to fill out your information. So I'm going to let her do that really quick, and then I will come back on with the second part of the video.